Now that you have seen the type of equipment in a laundry, let's talk about how to prepare clothes for washing and drying. By becoming a laundry expert, you will be in a better position to help customers get their clothes as clean as possible. When removing clothes from the bag, sort by color: whites, colors, and darks. If there are enough red items, wash them separately as they can bleed during the wash. Look at the labels for the manufacturer's cleaning recommendations. You are checking for water temperature, pre-treating suggestions, and whether the garment should only be dry cleaned. Check pockets for loose items and inspect the garments for stains. Feel the exterior of the garment with your hands to determine if anything is inside the pockets. This is much faster than reaching into every pocket. Pre-treat all stains. Add soap and bleach and then start the machine. Once the clothes are clean, it's off to the dryers. Depending on the type of wash, most dryers will handle 2 loads of clothing. In the case of cottons, jeans, bedspreads, sweatshirts, or towels, it is best to use 1 load per dryer. Sort clothes by type and be sure to read the labels. Dryers should be no more than 1/3 to 1/2 filled. Clothes need room to circulate. Select the cycle: delicate, permanent press, or regular. Shrinkage can occur if your customers choose the hot setting without checking their clothing labels. In some laundries, your job description might also include washing clothes for customers through a service called wash, dry, fold, or drop-off laundry. Ask your supervisor to train you on the proper procedure for your store.